Ever wondered how to make your daily routines more convenient as a wheelchair user? Well, you're not alone. Every day, countless individuals maneuver their way through life on wheels, overcoming a myriad of challenges that most people can't even begin to imagine. From the simple act of reaching for objects just beyond their grasp, to navigating through narrow doorways and tight corners, the world can sometimes feel like an obstacle course. And let's not forget the dreaded uneven terrain. One moment you're cruising along smoothly, the next you're jolted by an unexpected bump or dip in the road. These are common struggles that wheelchair users face each day. But don't despair. These hurdles don't have to define your day-to-day life. With a little ingenuity and some DIY spirit, you can turn those daily struggles into mere inconveniences, or even eliminate them altogether. So, are you ready to take control? Let's delve into some DIY hacks that could make your day-to-day life a bit easier. First up, the extending grabber, a handy tool to retrieve items beyond your reach. This clever little device can be a game changer. And the best part? You can make it at home with a few simple items you probably already have lying around. Let's start with the basic materials. You'll need a pair of tongs, some duct tape, and a stick. The tongs will serve as the grabbing mechanism, the stick will extend your reach, and the duct tape will hold it all together. Now, you might be asking, why tongs? Well, they're perfect for this job because they're designed to grasp and hold items securely. And that's exactly what we need our homemade grabber to do. So, how do you put this all together? It's simple. First, take your stick and your pair of tongs. Align the handle of the tongs with one end of the stick. Then secure them together using the duct tape. Wrap the tape around a few times to make sure it's nice and sturdy. Voila! You've got yourself an extending grabber. Now, let's talk about how this grabber can come in handy in various situations. Picture this. You're in the kitchen, and you need something from the top shelf. With your extending grabber, you can reach it with ease. Or maybe you're in the living room and you've dropped the TV remote on the floor. No need to struggle or ask for help. Just grab your DIY tool and pick it up. This extending grabber isn't just practical. It's also empowering. It encourages independence and boosts confidence. By creating and using this tool, you're not just overcoming a physical challenge, you're also promoting self-reliance and resilience. So there you have it, folks, a DIY extending grabber, a simple solution to a common problem. It's amazing how a little creativity can make life a whole lot easier. And remember, this is just the beginning. There are plenty of other hacks we'll be exploring in this video, all designed to make everyday tasks more manageable. With this hack, you'll be able to reach for high shelves or pick up things from the floor effortlessly. Our next hack is a wheelchair bag, a perfect solution for carrying personal items. Imagine having the ability to carry your personal items easily and comfortably, without the need to worry about where to place them or how to reach for them. This is exactly what our next hack, the wheelchair bag, offers. It's a simple yet ingenious solution that brings everyday convenience right at your fingertips. Now, to create a wheelchair bag, you don't need to go out and buy a specialized product. You can simply repurpose an old backpack or tote bag that's been sitting in your closet. The key here is to choose a bag that's sturdy, spacious, and comfortable to handle. Once you've chosen your bag, the next step is to attach it to your wheelchair. This might seem tricky, but it's actually quite straightforward. You can use adjustable straps or even sturdy zip ties to secure the bag to the wheelchair's frame. Ensure that the bag is firmly attached and doesn't swing or sway as you move. Now, where should you place the bag? The answer depends on your personal preference and convenience. Some prefer to attach the bag at the back of the wheelchair, while others find it easier to reach when it's placed on the side. Experiment and find the spot that works best for you. Keep in mind, the bag should be within easy reach, allowing you to access your belongings without straining or stretching. If you often carry heavier items, consider attaching the bag lower to balance the weight and make your wheelchair more stable. Remember, the goal of this hack is to make your life easier, not harder. So take your time to adjust and tweak the setup until it feels just right. You might need to try different bags or change the placement a few times before you find the perfect solution. But once you do, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. This hack will give you the convenience of having your personal items within your reach at all times. No more worrying about where to put your things or how to get them. With a wheelchair bag, you'll have everything you need right there with you. Our third hack is a DIY wheelchair ramp to help you overcome uneven terrains. Now, there's nothing quite as frustrating as a step or a steep curb standing between you and your destination. But with a little bit of ingenuity and some basic carpentry skills, you can build a portable ramp that'll have you rolling smoothly in no time. First off, you'll need some sturdy wooden planks. The length and width of these planks will depend on the height of the obstacle you're trying to overcome, but a standard size is about 4 feet long and 2 feet wide. For the ramp surface, a non-slip mat is essential. You can find these at any home improvement store, and they come in various sizes and colors. To construct the ramp, you'll lay the non-slip mat on one side of the wooden plank, then secure it with some heavy-duty adhesive. Make sure the entire surface of the plank is covered to avoid any slipping hazards. Once the adhesive has dried, you're ready to tackle those pesky steps. The key here is to place the ramp at an angle that's comfortable and safe for you to ascend and descend. A good rule of thumb is to maintain a ratio of 1 foot of ramp for every inch of height. This means if you're trying to overcome a 6-inch curb, your ramp should be 6 feet long. Safety is paramount while using your DIY ramp. Always check the stability before you start your ascent or descent. If the ramp feels wobbly or insecure, adjust it until it's stable. Also, always ensure you're centered on the ramp, as veering towards the edges can lead to tipping. And voila! You've got yourself a portable, sturdy, and safe way to conquer any step, curb, or uneven surface that dares to stand in your path. Remember, the beauty of this hack is in its simplicity and adaptability. You can modify the ramp's size and materials to suit your needs and preferences. With this hack, you can conquer any uneven terrain that comes your way. Our final hack for today is a cup holder, a simple yet effective solution for carrying beverages. Now, we all know how important it is to stay hydrated, especially on those hot summer days. But where do you put your drink when both of your hands are busy? That's where our DIY cup holder comes in handy. So, let's get down to it. For this hack, we'll need an empty plastic bottle, a pair of scissors, some duct tape, and a couple of zip ties. Firstly, take your plastic bottle and cut it in half. You want to use the bottom half, as it's perfect for holding your cup or bottle. Make sure to smooth out any sharp edges with the duct tape. Safety first, folks. Next, we're going to attach our freshly cut bottle to the armrest of the wheelchair. Now, this is where the zip ties come in. Thread one through the duct tape and around the armrest, and then do the same with the other one. Tighten them up, and voila! You've got yourself a sturdy DIY cup holder. But wait, what about those times when you're not sipping on a refreshing beverage? Well, this cup holder is not just for drinks. It's also a great place to store small items like your phone, keys, or even a snack. It's all about making life a little bit easier, right? And there you have it. A simple, cost-effective solution that not only quenches your thirst, but also keeps your essentials within arm's reach. Remember, these hacks are all about improving your everyday convenience. They're easy, they're fun, and they're here to make your life just a bit smoother. So, give it a try and let us know how it goes. With this hack, you'll never have to worry about spilling your drink again. So, there you have it. 4 DIY hacks that can make your daily life as a wheelchair user more convenient. Let's do a quick recap. First, we have the extending grabber, a simple yet innovative tool that helps you reach items that are just out of arm's length. Next, we discussed the benefits of a custom wheelchair bag, a versatile storage solution that keeps your essentials close at hand. The third hack we delved into was the DIY wheelchair ramp, an affordable and customizable way to navigate your environment with ease. Lastly, we introduced the handy cup holder, a small but mighty addition to your wheelchair that ensures your favorite beverage is always within reach. Now it's your turn. We'd love to hear about the hacks you've come up with. Share them in the comments below and let's keep this conversation going. Remember, life has no limitations except the ones you make. So keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep moving forward.